my fucking hair. You ain't got no manners? Oh my god.
Hey YouTube, it's Bonita and this is my Hey YouTube, it's Bonita and this is my DIY video on how I made this lace frontal unit using hair from Miss Here Hair Company from AliExpress. If you're interested in learning how to make this lace front unit using hot glue gun, stay tuned and be sure to like and subscribe. frontal is arguably the most important part of making your lace front wig. First I put the hair back so it was out of the way. Then I used the rat tail comb to separate what's going to be used as the baby hairs, and we're going to pluck these hairs a bit, but we're going to try to save most of them so it's able to cover up the line of demarcation when the lace is cut and you put the wig on. So we're going to start plucking some of the hair going forward, but most of the hair will be plucked backwards. We're trying to create a gradient effect in the frontal so it looks as natural as possible. Okay, so I have in 4 bundles of Peruvian body wave hair, lengths 26, 28, 30, 30, and I have in a frontal that is 18 inches. I've had this hair in for about 3 to 4 days now, and it has had minimal shedding, so that's really good. And after washing and dyeing it, it curled back up and it was pretty good. So this is the length. It comes up to about past my hips, and if it's behind me, it goes by like past my butt. So it's good, it's long, I'm draping, it's cute, it's a good look.
I put it, it's mine. I put it, it's mine. I put it, it's mine. I put it. Look how I stunt. Look how I stunt. Look how I stunt. Look how I stunt. In my lace front. 10 to the floor. 10 through your door. 10 to your face. 5 you a bore. Pick up the pace. Spit in your face. Dust in your creek. Joey the pace. Glue in my weave. Miss Destiny. Little Benji. Bruise on my knee. Dip on a dip. Making a trip. Wanna talk slick? I blow him a kiss.